I'm Erin Conover-Murray. This is Erin's Design with Wine. I'm so excited to show you this amazing kitchen remodel in Cincinnati. Just finished it in time for the holidays, and I'm so excited for this family. So come along, I'm going to show you all of my design tricks and tips, and I'm going to share them with you so that you can do it in your own home. I just have to show you my client's garage space. They are enduring a kitchen remodel right now, and I am so impressed by everything that they did. She got this little temporary kitchen sink on bid FTA for $25. There's her strainer, coffee maker, Instapot, hot plate, toaster oven, microwave, crock pot over there, and a refrigerator. They have been dealing without having a kitchen for 4 weeks now, and they're doing really well. I'm just so excited because next week they get to move back in. I have never seen somebody put all this together in their garage, and it's worked out really well for them. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about what happens behind the scenes. So excited to help this family with their kitchen remodel because I knew exactly the floor plan that they needed. And I'm standing where their wall used to be. I knew it had to come out. And lucky for me, they agreed. What they had was a very small kitchen, and then they had a formal dining room. And they weren't using the formal dining room, but they were using the kitchen a lot. Husband loves to cook. He has got amazing recipes. He is now able to cook for his entire family and have lots of room to move around. And I am just so excited because this holiday, they are going to host their family. When I started working with this family to create the design, found out that the homeowner was a chef, I decided that we should have a little bit more of an industrial chef's kitchen look. We decided to pair it with this industrial tile that we got from the tile shop. I did not encase the hood. I wanted it to be stainless and exposed. I knew we were going to have this great gas range and it would really complete the look. I also wanted to be very sensitive with the design since we were combining the two rooms, and I knew that these should be open shelves, not cabinets, because it would overwhelm the space. These shelves make it a little bit lighter and a little bit airier, and then they frame the centerpiece of this kitchen. I did a great little trick here with the lighting of the shelves. That way when they entertain, it really just sparkles. It's also useful. So I told you before, the homeowner is a chef. I wanted to make sure that we honored that every step of the way in the remodel. I love a great sink. You have to top that sink off with a great faucet. This is from Signature Hardware that we purchased through Ferguson. It looks a little bit industrial. It also really has some great height, so it becomes a center of attention. And I love to do everything there because number one, we have a great discount, but number two, they have amazing products. And this is a fantastic sink, nice single bowl. Add this drying rack which folds up really nicely, and it has a produce insert in here and a cutting board that fits right inside so that prep can be really easy. You can chop and move it right down to the disposal. One of the reasons why I love helping people with kitchens is because I love people and I love studying how people act in interior spaces, especially kitchens. We have created this awesome remodel timeline that kind of tells you a little bit about every step that we use when we do a kitchen. One of my biggest pet peeves is when somebody finishes a kitchen, put in a little small island. Islands should be large because people want to congregate. People want community. This is where people end up. So when you have a really large island, This one is 10 feet long. Then you can have more friends and more happiness right there in your kitchen. I'm back with the homeowner, Mary Corey. Mary, welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers. I told you before that we took down the wall that separated the kitchen to the dining room. Actually, Mary took it down when her husband was out of town. Can you tell us that story?
Yeah, he had a 3-day work trip. I just wanted to visualize the space. I have trouble visualizing it, so I just called my brother, tied up the electrical, and got my saws all out, so it was fun. I watched too much HTV, I guess.
It was pretty shocking to me and Corey when he got home and when I popped over the next week. That was the first time I've ever had a homeowner take their own wall down. After you did that, you were like, let's go. I'm ready. I can see it.
Not gonna lie, it was fun.
You're awesome, Mary. How has this kitchen remodel brought more happiness to your family?
Well, first of all, we have a big family and we have lots of parties. We like to entertain. If you've seen the movie My Big Fat Greek Family, we have the Big Fat Lebanese family, and Christmas is like 40-50 people here. Everybody was trying to cram into the kitchen. Now I don't have to go and lug tables up and set them up for holiday parties. I've got this nice, beautiful countertop and it's buffet ready. This kitchen remodel has changed our life incredibly by allowing us to gather and move around the space and have big parties and entertain. Because of COVID, we hadn't seen each other.
I love my job. I love remodeling kitchens because I can actually bring happiness, more happiness, to someone's home. And this family is so special to me because they wanted to remodel their kitchen so that they could cook for their family. And it's so meaningful to me, and I love that. Cheers to being happy at home.